Hello everyone, I am Prashant Akhare. In the last video, I have discussed the very important concept in the Python programming, that is input function to take the values from the users, then comments, and the last one is the result keywords. So this concept we have discussed in the last video. In the today's our video, I will discussing here the very important concept, that is the decision control statements. So before going into the details of the branching and looping control statement, we should know that a control statement is a statement that determines the control flow of set of instructions. That is, it decides the sequence in which the instruction in a program are to be executed. A control statement can either comprise of one or more instructions. So there are three fundamental methods of a control flow in a programming language are sequential, selection, and iterative control. So till now we have learned that the code in Python program is executed sequentially from the first line of the program to its last line. That is, the second statement is executed after the first, the third statement is executed after the second, and so on. So this method is known as the sequential control flow. However, in some cases we want to either execute only a selected part of statement, that is the selection control. And decision control statement can alter the flow of sequence of instructions, means execute a set of statement repeatedly. This concept is known as a iterative control flow. So these are the decision control statement. Usually jumps from the one part of the code to another depending on whether the particular condition is satisfied or not. So Python language support the different type of conditional branching statement, which are as a sequential, selection, and iterative. So these are the selection branching statement: if statement, if else statement, nested if statement, if else statement. So in this today's video, we are discussing here only the first part, that is the if statement, and in the next video I will discuss the if else statement, nested if statement, and if else statement. So first one is the if statement. So the if statement is the simplest form of decision control statement that is frequently used in decision making. An if statement is a selection control statement based on the value of a given Boolean expression. So the if structure may include the one statement or the n number of statements enclosed within the if block. The first, this see here the syntax. So this is the syntax of the if statement. So if is a result keyword. Total there are the 30 result keyword in the Python programming, and all these result keywords is written by in the small letters. So this is your the if statement. If one is the result keywords, then your test expression. So this test expression is a true. The statement of if block is executed this statement 1 to statement here. So this is the result keyword, then this is your the test expression, and this test expression it will be the non-zero value. So after the test expression colon is the must. So if your text expression is the true, then execute the statement 1 to statement n parts. If your test expression is the false, then we'll directly jump to the statement X. So if you see in the syntax, here I have given the indentation. So indentation means you can give the space or you can give the tab. So in C and C++ programming languages, so we are using the open and closing curly braces for the group of statements. But in the Python programming language, we are using the indentation concept. So if you give here the indentation, then it will consider this part of your statement 1 to statement n. This all part are considered for the if. So your test expression is a true, then execute the indentation part, that is the block of statement 1 to statement n. And you can write the only single statement also under the if statements. Yeah, you can write the group of statement, that is the statement 1 to statement n. I think all of you clear. So all these if statement concept. And another one important part, the statement in an if construct is any valid statement, and the state expression is any valid expression that may include the logical operators. Keep in mind, all of you, the header in a Python is a specific keyword followed by colon. If test expression having keyword if, the group of statement following the header is called as a suit. Means the statement 1 to statement n, it is called as a suit. S-U-I-T-E, this is the suit. And after the header, all instructions means or statement are indented at the same level. While you can use the 4 spaces, or you can use the single spaces, or you can use the one single tabs. So header and its suite are together known as the clause. So I think all of you clear this concept of the if statement. In the next video, we will discuss the another part, that is the if else statement, nested if else statement, and if else statement. Thank you.